the ancient kingdom of tranquility, nestled amidst mist-covered mountains and whispering forests, there lived a young traveler named Kai. Kai was on a quest, not for gold or fame, but to discover himself. One misty morning, as the sun peeked through the clouds, Kai set out on his journey. He wandered through valleys and climbed rugged peaks, seeking wisdom from sages and scholars. But despite all he learned, Kai felt a lingering emptiness within. One day, weary from his travels, Kai stumbled upon a humble temple hidden in the heart of the forest. Intrigued, he approached the temple and was greeted by an old monk with kind eyes and a serene smile. "Welcome, traveler," the monk said, his voice like a gentle breeze. "What brings you to our humble abode?" Kai bowed respectfully. "I seek guidance," he replied. "I wish to discover who I truly am." The monk nodded knowingly. "Ah, the journey of self-discovery is a noble one indeed. Come, sit with me." And so, Kai sat beside the monk as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting the forest in a warm glow. The monk began to speak, his words carrying the weight of centuries of wisdom. "To discover yourself, young one, you must first learn to quiet the noise of the world around you and listen to the whispers of your own heart," the monk said, his voice soft yet commanding. Kai listened intently as the monk spoke of mindfulness and presence, of letting go of the past and releasing worries about the future. He spoke of the importance of self-reflection and introspection, of delving deep into the depths of one's own soul to uncover the truths hidden within. As the days turned into weeks, Kai immersed himself in the teachings of the monk. He learned to meditate, to still his racing thoughts and find peace in the silence. He learned to appreciate the beauty of the present moment, to find joy in the simplest of things, the song of a bird, the rustle of leaves, the warmth of the sun on his skin. But despite all he learned, Kai still felt a sense of longing deep within him. He yearned to uncover the true essence of who he was, to unlock the secrets of his soul. One day, as he sat in meditation beneath the shade of an ancient oak tree, Kai had a revelation. He realized that the key to discovering himself lay not in seeking answers outside of himself, but in looking within. Closing his eyes, Kai delved deep into the recesses of his mind, exploring the labyrinth of thoughts and emotions that lay hidden within. And there, in the quiet depths of his own being, he found what he had been searching for all along, his true self. With this newfound knowledge, Kai emerged from his meditation a changed man. He no longer felt lost or adrift, for he had discovered the light that had been shining within him all along. Returning to the temple, Kai sought out the monk to share his revelation. The monk smiled knowingly, his eyes twinkling with pride. "Congratulations, young one," the monk said. "You have embarked on a journey that few dare to take, and you have emerged victorious. Remember, the path to self-discovery is not always easy, but it is always worth it." And so, with a heart full of gratitude and a mind at peace, Kai bid farewell to the temple and set out into the world once more. But this time, he walked with a newfound sense of purpose and direction, knowing that no matter where life may lead him, he would always carry the light of his true self within him.